Yeah, you got a mean old case of the hiccups.
Let's see a smile for those hiccups. He's going to look at him. He sees his mama taking a picture. He's going to hiccup and smile. You had the hiccup.